Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. I have some serious cleaning motivation for you guys in this video. I'm going to be cleaning all around my apartment, but first starting in my bedroom. I'm just stripping my bed because I needed to wash my blanket and my sheets, and there is nothing better than a fresh, clean pair of sheets and blankets. It's just amazing. I don't always wash my mattress cover when I wash my sheets, so I decided I was going to go ahead and leave that on. And this is laundry I had done a week prior and never folded and put away. I suck at staying on top of laundry. This always happens. I don't know. I'm just not good at it, and I can never keep up. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to click on my video. I am a married stay-at-home mom and working mom, and also a homeschool mom. I love to post motivational cleaning videos every Monday just to encourage you guys to get up and get moving, especially on what I think is the worst day of the week. Again, more clothes that I neglected to fold and put away. If you guys would like to follow me over on Instagram, it's Steph_L_McQueen. I love interacting with a lot of you guys over there. So if you want to see the behind the scenes of my life, be sure to go follow me over there. Tore down my walls. I wish I could go back. And don't mind my cat. He is always following me around. Every time I film a cleaning video, he literally follows me around everywhere. Every single room that I go in, he will be there. Yeah, look at us now. This is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. So I have a background in working retail for several years, and still to this day, I cannot fold my jeans or really any clothes without them being perfect, as if I was at work. I still fold them very nicely, like I'm about to put them on a display table. Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. Said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. We said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. So I absolutely need to shampoo my carpets because I have some black spots everywhere that just definitely are not very appealing. But I've really been neglecting it because it just is so much work. And also, whenever I'm cleaning the bedroom, my husband is also working in the corner. So usually I'm trying to hurry up and not be very loud. I'm probably vacuuming real quick while he's on break so it doesn't disturb him while he's on phone calls. But yeah, I will eventually get to those spots. It just is taking me some time. Like this, I definitely ran and tried to clean off his desk super quick while he stood up for his break, but oh yeah, I was rushing trying to wipe it off. He literally walked in right as I was wiping it off, and I'm like, hold on 1 second. I have to finish wiping this.
And yeah, my husband took out the top drawer because he was trying to fix the track that it was on. Something was wrong with it, so it looks a little ghetto missing the top drawer.
Strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. We're strangers again. We're strangers again. We're strangers again.
That nice little pumpkin on the wall with the bats that my daughter drew that for us. I thought it was so cute. And our mirror is totally ghetto, sitting on a chair. It broke off the wall, and I don't know, I just didn't know how to fix it to put it back up, so I just stood it on this, but I'm like, whatever, it works. guys, I just cut my finger and it hurt so bad. I sliced it open on my vegetable spiralizer. That was fun. It hurts. I am just cleaning my microwave with a mix of cleaning vinegar and soap. My daughter decided that she wanted to put these things out here for decorations, her little mouse dolly thing, and she painted that picture and got the pumpkin. For some reason, the clips of me actually vacuuming my carpet right here just disappeared. I have no idea where they went, but voila, they just magically vacuumed themselves. I wish. My daughter has like 50 million dresses, so I'm just hanging them all up after I did her laundry. that is all that I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.